Ayurveda PG Basics, BA, MS, AIA PGT, Ayurveda, Ayush, National Access Test, Ayurveda Medical Officer, Ayush, okay, CRAV exam, Ayurveda PSC exams, MD and MS entrance exam, MPH and MHA exam, okay, all the Ayurveda competitive exams, important questions. So don't forget to subscribe and be connected with us. Hello friends, welcome to Ayurveda PG Basics YouTube channel. Myself Dr. Revan Siddhya Swami. We are discussing daily 15 MCQ. Day 14, Om Ganeshaya Namo, Om Dhanvantari Devaya Namo. We are discussing okay previous year question papers which are asked repeatedly. Today first question, Kupi Pakwa Rasayana standardization with the help of which test? Options are copper coin test, Shalaka test, absence of fumes or the flames. Option D is all the above. Okay, in Rasa Shastra, we have already studied about okay, Parada and Parada related okay Kalpanas. Parpati Kalpana, Potali Kalpana, Kajali Kalpana and Kupi Pakwa Kalpana. Okay, Parada Rasayana is prepared with the help of okay glass bottle. If you remember, the Kupi Pakwa Rasayana standardization are considered by which test? Copper coin test, Shalaka test and absence of fumes and flames. Okay, so these all tests are okay valid the Kupi Pakwa Rasayana. So correct answer is okay all the above. What are the standardization tests for the Kajali and Bhasma preparation? Okay, Bhasma Pariksha. What are the Bhasma Pariksha? Explained in the Rasa Ratna Samuchaya. If you know, comment below. Next question, which of the following is not a Mahakushta Roga? Okay, it is already asked in the okay many BHU previous year question papers. We are okay repeatedly telling, we are discussing okay which are asked previously BHU and AIA PGT previous year question papers. So we are selecting and discussing on our daily videos. Options are Kapala, Charmadala, Sidma and Kakanaka, which is a not Mahakushta Roga. Okay, Kushta is one of the Toka Vikara, skin related disorder. Okay, what are the dosha and doshas involved in the Kushta Roga? If you know, write in the comments. Second question, which is not a Mahakushta Roga? Options are Kapala, Charmadala, Sidma and Kakanaka. Okay, Mahakushta. Kushta is one of the skin disorder. Okay, told by Charaka Acharya. Reference is Charaka Samhita, Nidhana Sthana, 5th chapter. Okay, it is already asked in the BHU previous year question papers. We are selecting the AIA PGT and BHU previous year question papers which are asked repeatedly and we are discussing on our daily video. Options are Kapala, Charmadala, Sidma and Kakanaka. Okay, Charaka Acharya explained total 18 types of the Kushta Roga. In that, okay, Mahakushtas are 7 types and Kshudra Kushta are the 11 in number. Okay, what are the Mahakushta? They are the Kapala, Udumbara, Mandala, Rishajiva, Sidma, Kakanaka, Sidma, Pandurika and okay, Kakanaka. Okay, this sequence is very important. And Charaka Acharya also told okay about the dosha predominance in each Mahakushta Roga. If you remember, okay, if you have any doubt in the Kushta Roga, ask your questions in the comments. If you have any questions in the okay, Shamana Chikitsa and Shodhana Chikitsa of the Kushta, if you know what is the Chikitsa in Kushta Roga, write in the comments. What are the yogas given in Kushta Roga? Okay, this Kapala is predominant of Vata dosha, Udumbara is predominant of Pitta dosha, Mandala is predominant of Kapha dosha, Rishajiva is predominant of Vata Pitta dosha, Sidma is predominant of Pitta and Kapha dosha. Okay, this Kakanaka is predominant of Vata and Pitta and Kapha dosha. Okay, because of the involvement of Vata Pitta, okay, 3 doshas, it is okay Asadheja Kushta Roga. Okay, Kakanaka is Asadheja Kushta Roga. It's very important point. Here asking which of the following is not a Kushta Roga. Okay, Kapala, Sidma is there and Kakanaka is there. Okay, not the Charmadala. Okay, Charmadala is a Kshudra Roga. Correct answer is option B. Next question, Ekakala Dhatu Poshana Nyaya Samarthaka Acharya. Okay, कौन सा आचार्य ने एककाला धातु पोषण न्याय के बारे में बताया है? ऑप्शन आर चरका, श्रुष्टता, वाग्भट एंड कश्यप. Okay, this एककाला धातु पोषण न्याय explained by Aruna Datta. Okay, in the Ashtanga Hridaya, okay, Tikakara, Aruna Datta explained about okay, Ekakala Dhatu Poshana Nyaya. Okay, here correct answer is okay, Vagbhata. But if you are getting okay, Aruna Datta in the option, you should select okay, Aruna Datta. Next question, Pratimarga Harana Chikitsa. Explained in which Chikitsa? Vatarakta Chikitsa, Unmada, Apasmara and Raktapita. If you know the answer, write in the comments. Okay, Pratimarga Harana Chikitsa. Okay, it is very important. Recently in the okay, AIA PGT, 2 years back only, okay, the question have been asked. So this is very important. Okay, Pratimarga Harana Chikitsa is explained in the Raktapita Vikara. Okay. For example, in Pratimarga Chikitsa, okay, meaning of this Pratimarga Harana Chikitsa means giving the okay opposite treatment. In Urdhva Rakta Pitta, okay, we will go for the Virechana Karma. Okay, and in Adhova Rakta Pitta, we will go for the okay Vamana Chikitsa. If you have any questions in the okay Pratimarga Harana Chikitsa or the Rakta Pitta okay Chikitsa, ask your questions in the comments. Yes, in the AIA PGT 2023, okay, question have been asked. So this is very important. Okay, similarly, Pratidvanda Chikitsa is explained in the Unmada Vikara and Jigupsa Chikitsa is explained in the okay Raja Yakshma. And in the okay, one more important is okay, Unmada Roga. Okay, it's also very important. We will discuss the okay questions regarding Unmada in next live stream video. If you have any questions in the okay, Vatrakta, Unmada, Apasmara and Raktapita Chikitsa, ask your questions in the comments. If you not seen our okay previous Charaka Samhita, Shosha Samhita and Ashtanga Hridaya related important previous year question papers, visit our channel Ayurveda PG Basics and watch out all the video. If you like our explanation, please like this video and subscribe to our channel Ayurveda PG Basics. Next question, according to Bhava Prakasha, okay, Kshaudra is. Options are Prameha Nashaka, Kushtahara, Sanipataja Jara and Kaphaja Unmada. Okay, Madhu is indicated in which Vikara? Okay, it is explained in the Bhava Prakasha Nigantu, okay, which is written by the Bhava Mishra. What is the Pradhana Karma of Madhu? If you know, write in the comments. Prameha Nashaka, Kushtahara, Rakta सन्निपाताचे ज्वर, कफज उन्माद. Okay, correct answer is Kshaudra is okay Prameha Nashaka. Or okay, it is a Prameha Hara. Best indicated in the okay Madhumeha or the okay in modern science we will correlate with the diabetes. Next question, according to Kashyapa Acharya, okay, Vamana Karma Uttama Shuddhi we will get in the okay how many Vegas? Options are 2 3 Vegas, 4 5 Vegas, 6 7 yoga Vegas, 7 to 8 Vegas. Okay, here asking according to Kashyapa, okay, not the Charaka Acharya. About okay Charaka Acharya, what are the Vamana Karma Vegas and Virechana Karma Vegas? Okay, we have already discussed in the previous video. In the okay day 10 video we have discussed. If you have any questions, visit our okay day 10 15 MCQ which are important, okay, and asked in the AIE PGT 21 and 22 question papers. Okay, what are repeatedly asked questions we have covered. Here asking according to Kashyapa. So correct answer is Kashyapa Acharya, okay, told 6 to 7 Vegas, okay, which will indicate the Uttama Shuddhi in the Vamana Karma. Okay, what are the Uttama Shuddhi Vegas and Madhyama Shuddhi Vega and Avara Shuddhi Vega? If you know, write in the comments. If you want to get any topic or the concept in Ayurveda science, Rasa Shastra, Dravya Guna, Prasuti Tantra, Sri Roga, Komara Bhrutya, please tell me in the comments. Next question, Jangama Vishadhisthana. Okay, here asking according to Sushruta Acharya, okay, Jangama Vishadhishtanas. Okay, this Jangama Vishadhisthana, it is also okay asked in the previously BHU previous year question papers. Jangama Vishadhishtanas. Options are 10, 16, 24 and 36. Okay, it's a direct factual question. Sushruta Acharya, okay, explained about okay, two types of Visha. They are the Stavara Visha and the Jangama Visha. Okay, Stavara Vishadhishtanas are okay 10 in number, Jangama Vishadhishtanas are okay 16 in number. Okay, it's a very important and recently okay in the AIE PGT the Visha Chikitsa okay related questions also asked. So this topic is very important. Okay, regarding the Visha, okay, what are the types of Visha and what are the types of the Sarpa? Okay, what are the Savisha and Nirvisha Sarpa and numbers and okay Chikitsa, all topics are very important. Okay, references in Shushru Samhita will get in the Shushru Samhita Kalpasthana. Okay, second chapter will get the reference of Stavara Visha. Shushru Samhita Kalpasthana third chapter, okay, you will get the reference of Jangama Visha. Okay, this reference in Jangama Visha in Charaka Samhita in the Charaka Samhita Chikitsa Sthana, okay, 23rd chapter. If you have any questions in the okay Jangama Visha and Stavara Visha, ask your questions in the comments. If you want to learn okay Govind Parikh 1 to 80 pages, visit our live stream video. Okay, we'll get 1 to 10 paper all the important questions. Next question, Dhamani Shaitilya. Okay, it is a which Dhatu Kshaya Lakshana? According to Sushruta Acharya, Dhamani Shaitilya, it is a Raktakshaya, Mamsakshaya, Astikshaya, Rasakshaya. Okay, it's very important. It is already asked in the okay BHU AIE PGT okay recent question paper, okay, 2017 question paper, okay, it is already asked. Here Dhamani Shaitilya is seen in which Vikara? Rasakshaya, Raktakshaya, Mamsakshaya, Astikshaya. Okay, correct answer is Dhamani Shaitilya. We will see in the Mamsakshaya. Okay, similarly one more question, okay, Shira Shaitilya. Shira get okay, it's Shaitilya. This Lakshana, okay, we will see in the Rasakshaya. Okay, this all the okay Saptadhatukshaya Lakshanas are okay already explained in the Charaka Samhita Sutrasthana 18th chapter. Okay, this chapter is very important and in Shushru Samhita okay Sutrasthana also explained. Okay, if you have any questions in the okay Dhatukshaya Lakshana, 18 types of Dhatukshaya, okay, explained by Charaka Acharya. If you have any questions, ask your questions in the comments. Okay, please, if you like our explanation, like this video. Next question, Shvetava Shroto Dushti. What is the Chikitsa in Shvetava Shroto Dushti? Similar to the Shwasa Roga Chikitsa, Atisara Roga Chikitsa, Jara Roga Chikitsa, Amadosha Roga Chikitsa. In Shroto Dushti, okay, Shrotava Dushti Rogas, which Chikitsa is indicated? If you know the answer, write in the comments. Okay, according to Charaka Acharya in Shvetava Shroto Dushti, okay, similar to the Jara Chikitsa is treatment is given. Okay, Langana, Shvedana, Chikitsa is indicated. Okay, what is the in the Shwasa Chikitsa? What is the Shrota Dushti Chikitsa? Similarly, okay, in Shwasa Roga, Pranava Shrota Dushti Chikitsa is indicated. In the Atisara, okay, Malava Shrota Dushti Chikitsa is indicated. In the Ama Dosha, okay, similarly, Annava Dosha Chikitsa is indicated. Okay, it is already asked in the okay, Charaka Samhita and in the Govind Parikh also. Okay, in Govind Parikh 37th page, okay, it is indicated, explained. If you have any questions in the okay, Govind Parikh 1 to 80 pages, ask your questions in the comments. Okay, it's very important. Okay, similar questions which can be asked in our okay, upcoming video. Upcoming okay Ayurveda competitive exams, so it's very important. Next question, Dvandva Chikitsa. Okay, Pratidvandva Chikitsa is indicated in which Roga? Rakta, Pitta, Kushta, Unmada and Apasmara. Okay, this Pratidvandva Chikitsa, okay, we have already told in the previous question, Pratidvandva Chikitsa is okay indicated in the Unmadaja Vikara. Okay, Unmada Chikitsa, Pratidvandva Chikitsa is indicated. Similarly, okay, in Rakta, Pitta, Pratimargarana Chikitsa is indicated. And in the Raja Yakshma, okay, similarly, Raja Yakshma, Jigupsa Chikitsa is indicated. Okay, these are the similar questions which are repeatedly asking in the okay, Ayurveda competitive exams. AMO exam, UPSC exam, okay, MPPSC exam, CREV exam, all the Ayurveda competitive exams. Okay, we are discussing the previous year question papers. So these questions are very important. Please share this video to your okay all the Ayush friends and subscribe to the Ayurveda PG Basics and be connected with us. Next question, according to Charaka Acharya, Vamana Virechana Vyapadas. Options are 10, 15, 20 and okay 25. Okay, it's a direct factual question. Vamana Virechana Vyapadas are okay 10 in number. Okay, what are the Vamana Virechana Vyapadas explained by Sushruta Acharya and Vagbhata Acharya? If you know, write in the comments. Okay, otherwise we will explain in the comments. Next question, total Basti procedures, okay, followed in the Kala Basti. Options are 8, 16, 30 and 24. how many basti explained in Kala Basti? How many basti? Okay, how many Anuvasana basti and Astapana basti indicated in Kala Basti? If you know, comment below. Okay, mainly three types of basti explained in the Charaka Samhita. Okay, this Karma basti, Kala basti and Yoga basti. If you remember, okay, these three types of basti explained, okay, based on the numbers of Anuvasana basti and Astapana basti. Okay, Karma basti, so in the Karma basti, okay, followed we will give the okay total 30 bastis. Okay, in Kala basti we will follow okay total 16 basti. In Yoga basti, okay, we will follow the 8 basti. Okay, the similarly okay, alternative Anuvasana basti, Astapana basti, Anuvasana basti, Astapana basti we will okay give in the Karma basti, Kala basti and Yoga basti. Okay, how many Anuvasana basti and Astapana basti explained in the Karma basti, Kala basti and Yoga basti? If you know, write in the comments. Okay, otherwise we will explain in the okay, next live stream video. Okay, if you have any questions in the okay basti procedure, ask your questions in the comments. If you want okay daily MCQ, just visit our channel community post. Okay, we'll get 5,000 okay 200 plus MCQs on our community post we have already uploaded. You will get okay daily 5 to 10 MCQs on our community post. So don't forget to subscribe to Ayurveda PG Basics and be connected with us. Recently, okay, in Ayurveda competitive exam, they are asking okay about the chapters. Okay, this chapter is indicated in explained in which Samhita. Okay, chapter is what is the reference and what is the okay chapter name and what are the shloka name? They are asking direct questions. Similarly, okay, they have asked here Janapadamsaniya. Okay, Adhyaya explained in which Samhita. Options are Charaka Samhita Sutra Sthana 3rd chapter 3rd shloka, Charaka Samhita Vimana Sthana 3rd chapter 1st shloka, Charaka Shushu Samhita okay Sutra Sthana 1st chapter 1st shloka, Kashyapa Samhita Uttara Tantra okay 1st chapter 1st shloka. If you know the answer, write in the comments. Janapadamsaniya Adhyaya. Okay, in this chapter, Acharya okay explained about the Dushita Vayu, Jala, Desha and Kala. If you remember, which Acharya explained? If you know the answer, write in the comments. Yes, okay, it is explained by Charaka Acharya in Charaka Samhita Vimana Sthana okay 3rd chapter. Third chapter. If you have any questions in the okay Dushita Vayu, Jala and Desha and Kala, ask your questions in the comments. Okay, and in similarly okay one more important point in the okay Charaka Samhita Vimana Sthana 8th chapter is okay very important for the Ayurveda competitive exams. Okay, more questions in the AIA PGT and the CREV exam, BHE okay previous year question paper we have seen okay many questions from the Vimana Sthana okay 8th chapter. So this chapter is very important. Okay, what is the reference of okay Swastharuta Adhyaya and what is the reference of Vikruti Vijnana Adhyaya explained in which Samhita? If you know, comment below. Okay, similarly okay we'll discuss more questions from the previous year question paper in our upcoming video. So just subscribe to Ayurveda PG Basics and be connected with us. Next question, according to Charaka Acharya, okay, what is the Astivaha Shroto Moolas? Okay, Charaka Acharya explained total 13 Shrotas. In that asking, in the Astivaha okay, what is the Shroto Moola? Options are Stanya Dartava, Ruka and Vapavahana, Medas and Janga, Asti and Sandhi. Okay, it is explained in the Vimana Sthana okay 5th chapter, Shroto Vimana Adhyaya. Okay, this Shrotas Moola okay related questions also okay asking repeatedly in the BHU previous year question papers. So this okay Moola and its tickets are very important. Shroto Moolas and its tickets are very important. Okay, so revise this topic. Charaka Acharya okay explained about Astivaha, Moolas are okay Meda and Janga. Okay, what are the okay Stanya and Arthava, Ruka and Vapavahana and Asti and Sandhi? Okay, in which Shrotas okay Moolas? If you know, write in the comments. And how many okay Shrotas explained by Sushruta Acharya and Vagbhata Acharya in the Ashtanga Hridaya? If you know, write in the comments. How many Shrotas? Okay, here majorly okay important is Siradhamani and okay Shrotas. Okay, here what are the difference in the Siradhamani and Shrotas explained by our Acharyas? Okay, if you know, write in the comments. Next question, according to Charaka Acharya, okay, types of Pratipakshi. Okay, this question is taken from the okay Charaka Samhita Vimana Sthana 8th chapter. Yes, in this chapter only okay we have already discussed about Vadamarga. Okay, if you seen our chapter wise question paper, okay, in Charaka Samhita Vimana Sthana 1 to 8 chapter, okay, chapter wise question paper in the live stream video, okay, we have covered. Yes, okay, back to the question we are discussing about okay the Pratipakshi Bheda. Options are 2, 3, 4 and 8. If you know how many okay Pratipakshi Bhedas explained by Charaka Acharya, okay, Charaka Acharya explained total 3 Pratipakshis. Okay, they are the Pravara Pratipakshi, Pratyavara Pratipakshi and the Sama Pratipakshi. Okay, after the okay in Charaka Samhita Vimana Sthana 8th chapter, after the okay Sambhashya Parishad and okay Jalpaka, okay, Charaka Acharya explained about okay Pratipakshi. Okay, total 3 types of Pratipakshi explained by Charaka Acharya. Okay, here important okay in the Charaka Samhita Vimana Sthana 8th chapter is okay total Vada Margas are okay 44 in number, Saras are okay 18 number, Pariksha Bhavas are okay 10 in number and Siddhantas okay explained by Charaka Acharya okay 4 in number. Okay, what are the Vada Margas and what are the okay Ashtasara, Ashtadhatu Sara and what are the okay Dasha Pariksha Bhavas and what are the okay Chatur with the Siddhanta? If you know, okay, tell me in the comments. Okay, if you want more previous year question papers regarding the okay AIA PGT, BHU and Jamnagar, okay, repeatedly ask questions, just subscribe to our channel and give the okay more and more comments in the below. Okay, please give the feedback in the comments. At last, okay, I will tell okay, if you first time visited our channel, just like, share and subscribe to the Ayurveda PG Basics and be connected with us. Okay, if you want to solve okay daily MCQ, you can visit our okay channel community post. Okay, we have already uploaded 5,000 plus questions on our community post. Okay, so visit our channel and get okay all the questions. You have any okay questions in the Govind Parikh, okay, 1 to 80 pages, ask your questions in the comments. You want to discuss okay any BHU previous year question papers or the AIA PGT previous year question papers, tell me in the comments. Okay, we can discuss. Okay, and please give the feedback in the comments. Okay, you are liking your explanation, the way of explanation, or okay you want any correction, please tell me in the comments. Okay, we will discuss the more okay Govind Parikh related okay questions in our upcoming video. Thank you one and all for joining our channel. Myself Dr. Revan Siddhya Swami signing off. Thank you. Okay, we'll meet in the one more live stream video with the another 15 MCQ which are important for your competitive exams. Okay, you are preparing for the all the Ayurveda competitive exams. Okay, CRAV, AIU PGT exam, AMO exam. Okay, national exist test, all the Ayurveda competitive exams. These questions are very important. So don't forget to watch out for day 2, day 1 to the day 12 important questions, and chapter wise questions which are asked. Okay, we have already discussed in the live stream video. Okay, check out all the live stream video. Thank you. Ayurveda PG Basics, BAMS, AIU PGT, Ayurveda, Ayush, National Exist Test, Ayurveda Medical Officer, Ayush, okay, CRAV exam, Ayurveda PSC exams, MD and MS entrance exam, MPH and MHA exam, okay, all the Ayurveda competitive exams, important questions. So don't forget to subscribe and be connected with us. Thank you. You are really interested in the 100-day series? How many of you are interested in the 100-day series daily 15 MCQ? Tell me in the comments.